This is the blueprint to a 750 plus credit score and creating an income shift lifestyle. Hey, it's Justin Varengia. I'm the handsome young gentleman on the right, and I'm here with my business partner, Robert Probst. How you doing, buddy?
Hey, I'm doing awesome, Justin. Great to be here.
Excellent. Glad to have you here. Honored to be working with you. And if you're on this page, you want to know how we transformed our credit scores by literally hundreds of points and how you can too. Now, this is taken literally 3 days ago. This is Robert's credit score in the 820s, which is considered excellent. And that's pretty fantastic. So congratulations, Robert.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
And this is the type of lifestyle that's available with an 800 credit score. What kind of car are you driving there, buddy?
Well, that is a Maserati Gran Turismo.
Woohoo! Beautiful whip. Love it. And here's, I just want to share a quick story. Back on April 15th of last year, I shared this on my Facebook wall, and I'll just read what I wrote here. My updated FICO score. No wonder the Porsche dealership gave us a $75,000 whip with zero money down with only a 2.9% interest rate. I could have got a 2.7 from my own credit union, but I kept it in-house for convenience. Yes, this is the type of deal you bet I used OPM, other people's money versus cash. And the entire process was just so effortless. And here's a picture of me and my favorite toy. And that's what's possible. You get taken care of with a great credit score. Now, Section 609 of the Fair Credit Reporting Act states, this is a consumer disclosure section, which is to provide for the protection of consumers against false and erroneous reporting. This section of the FCRA places the burden upon the credit bureaus and the creditors to provide the credit bureau a copy of the original creditor's documentation, which is ultimately whatever you filled out and signed upon opening the account with the reporting creditor. Now, do note, this is how they record all the delinquent and negative, payments and back history. Now, I want to give you the Section 609 templates we've used to increase our credit scores and help you get your first 3 negative items removed from your credit report. Now, this is what you're going to get access to in the download section. And as you can see, the 609 dispute letters, there's 4 dispute letters that you'll send to the credit bureaus. Each letter should be written 3 times, ultimately 1 for each credit bureau. This system has also helped 6,817 people start the journey of improving their credit, remove 29,144 negative items from customer credit reports and counting. And FYI, these statistics are this year. Our customers raised their credit scores 511,000 plus points and counting, and we're projected to help 10,000 customers remove 40,000 negative items and increase their credit scores by 750,000 points this year alone. You may be wondering, why just 3 negative items? Well, I want you to see that this system actually works when you use it. Also, once you see 3 negative items removed, you'll know you can get all the other items removed as well. The process is the same. It's just about doing more of what worked. And at that point, you'll know you have a process that works time and time again. Now, 95% of the people we meet online and at events are looking for time freedom, a lifestyle with travel, because a successful business and lifestyle starts with your credit. Now, fixing your credit is simple. That's when you have the right tools, of course. We live in a credit-based world, unfortunately, but your credit score and income does determine your lifestyle. To create a better lifestyle, you just need 2 things. Number 1, you need an income shift. And number 2, you need a high credit score. You don't need a perfect score. Keep that in mind. You just need to get a 750 plus credit score. And to get a 750, you need a plan. So here's what you're going to get access to: the 750 Credit Plan Membership course. And in this course, it's a step-by-step walkthrough of exactly how to get your credit to a 750 plus. Pretty self-explanatory. And it works regardless of where you start. No matter if you have a 400 credit score right now. So to truly rebuild your credit today, you must have all the templates to remove the negative items from your credit. Pretty simple. And to have the right strategies and system to start rebuilding your credit. So here's what you're going to get: our proven Section 609 dispute letters. Letter number 1, the initial dispute letters, including all the Section 609 legal verbiage. Letter number 2, the follow-up request. This is the letter you send after to reinforce your position. Letter number 3, The legal demand letter, this is your final written request informing them of your intent to pursue litigation in accordance of the FCRA. And letter number 4, your intent to litigate. This letter informs them that they're in violation of the FCRA, and in accordance with the law, you'll be seeking legal counsel to recover all monetary damages you're entitled to. Now, these are the modules. There's 10 modules inside of the training. Module number 1 is an introduction to the 750 credit plan. Module number 2 is how to obtain your credit scores and your reports for free. Module number 3, how to read your credit report. Module number 4, how to dispute items on your credit report. Module number 5, that's where these special 609 template letters come in play, how to remove negative payment history. And module number 6, how to reduce credit utilization. Module number 7, how to add credit history, establish new credit accounts. Module number 8, how to properly apply for new credit. Module number 9, how to get a credit mixture. And module number 10, how to check disputes. You're also going to get, as a bonus, module income shifting. And in this module, you'll get an introduction to the income shifting strategy and learn how it lowers your credit utilization. It's pretty amazing. Now, here's an example of that. This video is included in that income shift section, how to correctly fill out your W-4. Now, just from this one strategy, we have customers, just like here in the screenshot, who are getting back an extra $70 per week from his corporate job. So any of you who have jobs, you more than likely are paying too much in taxes, and yes, this is 100% legal. Now it's time to check out the 750 credit plan results. Hey, Robert, why don't you walk us through these awesome testimonials?
You got it, Justin. So what we're going to do is go through the facts here that MyEcon members have not only transformed our incomes, but we've also transformed our credit scores. And as you can see here, I'm over 820, which is excellent credit rating. And anyone could get there. It's just a matter of time and doing your due diligence. Members post their credit scores daily inside of our Facebook groups. And as you can see here from Credit Karma, this is one of our members, Elizabeth, showing her scores on August 3rd, just a few days ago. And they're showing the results literally on the daily. So we have a lot of members here sharing. This example here shows a member at 524 raising their credit by over 200 points to 725. And this gentleman, Joshua, 695, he raised his credit score. He was all the way down in the 400s, I believe. So what can you do with a higher credit score? Well, you need a high credit score to buy your dream home, for starters. And you get the best cash back and points on travel when you have a high credit score. You get the best deals on buying your dream car or renting your dream car. And I want to have you check out some of these real income shifting results. Here we have Angela, and you can see from her weekly checks that she's doing pretty well, earning up to $1,800 in a week. And again, I'll say income disclaimer, these results are not average. This does require some work and sharing this system. But just for the last 30 days, we're going to show you some more of these results. Again, up to $4,000 in just one check in a week. So do you want to earn a high residual income like you see in these results? Well, again, income disclaimer, these are not average results, but this is just to show you what's possible. Ketter here made a little over $1,054 on July 20th, just in his second week. Our team members have transformed their incomes, and some have even achieved 5- and 6-figure income results in their first 90 days. Again, this is not average, but I mean, you can see here Alfredo at 48,000, just amazing what's possible. And we're also building our teams. So here I ranked up to EVP Gold. And of course, I want to congratulate my business partner here, Justin, for hitting EVP Platinum. That means he has over 80 members on his team. He's actually over 130 members now. So congratulations, shout out to Justin.
Thank you, Robert, and congrats. You were the fastest to rank up to EVP Gold on the team, so congratulations, man.
Oh, thank you as well. So here we have our good friend Frank Calabro Jr. also hitting EVP Gold in his first week, and Esther also doing an awesome job. Congratulations, Esther, for hitting the rank of EVP Gold in her first week. And then, of course, Greg Irvin doing a phenomenal job, as well as Ralph Malik, also both in their first week or so, ranking up to EVP Gold. So congratulations to everyone for ranking up. It does happen all the time on our teams. So this income shifting really works. And again, here you can see Jeffrey hit looks like $1,831 in a week. So again, many earn thousands per week, in our system just for sharing the 750 credit plan. Personally, I wouldn't even attempt to start applying the credit loopholes we have without having a proven dispute template that works. Seriously, save yourself the hassle. I mean, it doesn't get any easier, and you don't want to start the process without using a proven system that works. Now, this system wasn't cheap or easy to come by. However, we decided to make them available to the public. So you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Normally, each module would cost you $50 to $75 each, but for a very limited time, we'll let you have access to the entire system for only $35. Yep, just 35 bucks. Nowadays, it's hard to go out on a nice date for less than $35. Now, you can finally put yourself in the position to have the 750 plus credit score that you want. Also, I'm going to throw in these additional bonuses. Bonus number one is the income shifting kit, a $97 value. This is a tutorial on how to increase your take-home pay by $200 to $600 per month. More than 80% of the working class is neglecting this simple process, which is 100% legal. Bonus number two is our cash flow manager, $147 value. The cash flow manager is an online cash flow management system which records, organizes, and stores all of your business and personal financial transactions. Now, with income shifting, you're also going to have an investment calculator to help you take the money that you're saving from the W-4 tax strategy that Justin mentioned and invest it into not only getting out of debt, but building your credit and eliminating your debt. So you see we have a calculator down here that shows you how by paying more than the minimums on your credit cards or your auto loan, how you'll eventually eliminate that debt, and then you can earmark that income for investments to build your assets, or maybe pay off your mortgage like I did in less than 3 years. So you own your home outright. Bonus number three, team training site. This is a $247 value. You'll get access to step-by-step training on how to get eyeballs onto your sales page to maximize your affiliate income. The class curriculum that we put together, we have a huge Facebook community, over 6,000 members that will be there every step of the way to help you. And as you can see here, we have everything from getting your domain name, setting up your business, how to increase your friends and following on social media with Facebook, how to enroll your first 50 members via Facebook Messenger, which is a training that Justin did. That's wonderful. That really helps. And with your warm market, and just how to get more sales through webinar marketing and the step-by-step formula to doing a successful webinar. These are all in this free training site that you're going to get as a bonus. We also have YouTube marketing, how to upload your videos to YouTube, and a lot of archived Facebook Live webinars for you to go through. So bonus number four is our private team Facebook group training, which is another $97 value. You'll get access to our tribe and plug into our active community, like I said, with over 6,700 paid members, between these groups, including My Econ Alchemy and My Econ Takeover. You can save a lot of time and money by improving your credit the right way the first time by being a part of this community. So the choice is yours. Click the button below and start saving by improving your credit score today. And I'll hand it back over to you, Justin.
Sounds good, Robert. Appreciate you, buddy. Do it now because this flash sale will end. So let me ask you just 3 questions. Question number 1, do you want financial freedom and time freedom? Question number 2, do you want to boost your credit score, lower taxes, and increase your cash flow? And number 3, would you pay $34.95 to increase your credit score to a 750 to 800 plus? If you answered yes, then go ahead and click the button right below this video and get started today. Because if you're seeking a better credit score, relax. You're in the right place. Our company has been in business for 12 years now and has an A+ rating with the BBB, the Better Business Bureau, and there's a screenshot for you right there. And that's kind of unheard of for a 12-year-old company, but obviously we're doing things correctly here. Our community is here to help you. Every step to a 750 plus credit score and life-changing income. The 3495 Smart Credit System works extremely well. That's because everyone wants a 750 plus credit lifestyle, just like Robert. And for those that apply the knowledge, even an 800 plus credit lifestyle, helping others fix their credit, earning life-changing income, and creating time freedom and leverage. Thanks for watching this, and truly appreciate you taking the time out to check this out. If you're serious about building credit and creating the lifestyle you deserve, go ahead, click the button right below, and start saving by improving your credit score today. Looking forward to seeing you inside the Facebook group. Make it a great day. Thank you once again, Robert. Appreciate you, buddy.
Thank you, Justin. It was awesome to be here with you.
Likewise, always a pleasure. Go ahead and click that button right below, and we're looking forward to getting started with you.